Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Best Buy Capital One shopping notifications. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Best Buy Capital One shopping notifications, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Capital One website and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile section. Look for the Notification Preferences option. Click on Notification Preferences to view your settings. Find the section related to shopping notifications. Uncheck any boxes associated with Best Buy notifications. Review other notifications to ensure they are set as desired. After making your changes, scroll down to find the Save button. Click the Save button to confirm your new settings. Exit your account by logging out. If you're using the mobile app, open the Capital One app. Log in with your credentials on the app. Tap on the account icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Notifications from the list of options. Look for Best Buy notification settings. Toggle off any notifications related to Best Buy. Make sure to save or apply your changes if prompted. Once done, exit the app. Your Best Buy Capital One shopping notifications have been successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.